The Sinairyu system includes several built-in functions that improve its performance and usability. It features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which offers over 3 times the transmission speed compared to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, resulting in a more stable CarPlay connection. The Bluetooth 5.8 technology extends transmission distance and enhances compatibility for a better user experience. The built-in DSP sound processor allows for equalizer adjustments, enabling users to customize the sound quality to their preferences. Additionally, the system supports USB video and audio playback, allowing users to connect a USB drive to the factory screen for media playback. Another user-friendly feature of the Sinairyu system is its ability to switch between the original car menu, the module menu with a single button press. Although the exact button used may vary by model and year, this makes it easy to toggle between different functionalities without losing access to the vehicle's original controls. The system also supports various online APKs, enabling the use of popular applications such as Facebook, Google Maps, Spotify, TikTok, directly on the OEM radio. This broad compatibility ensures that drivers and passengers can enjoy their favorite apps and services while on the road. For added convenience and safety, the Sinairyu system supports both front and rear view camera inputs, though the cameras themselves are not included with the device. This functionality integrates with the vehicle's original parking sensors and camera systems, enhancing visibility and assisting with parking and maneuvering. Overall, the Sinairyu Wireless Apple CarPlay system offers a comprehensive solution for integrating modern connectivity features into a wide range of Audi vehicles, making it an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their in-car technology and enhance their driving experience. The Sinairyu Wireless Apple CarPlay system for Audi models such as A1, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, Q2, Q3, Q5, Q7, S4, and S5 represents a significant upgrade to the in-car entertainment and connectivity experience. This device, available on Aliexpress, provides seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering versatile connectivity options and a range of advanced features to enhance your driving experience.